Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use templates in Figma. So first, head over to figma.com and make sure that you're logged into your account. Next is find the template. There are built-in templates on the home screen. Just scroll to templates and choose one to start editing. Next is click Community that can be found in the left sidebar. Then search for a template. Example, Mobile UI Kit. Next is just click on Duplicate to add it to your drafts. Next is to edit the template. You can use or press V to move items and T to edit text. You can also change colors, fonts, or images as needed. You can also customize layout, buttons, and components. And lastly, to share or export, just click on Share to collaborate, use File, then Export to download assets. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!